In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Workday function in Google Sheets. This is a handy function that enables you to calculate a workday that falls a specified number of days from a start date, excluding weekends and any holidays that you specify. Whether you're managing projects with tight deadlines or just trying to optimize your work schedule, this function is a powerful tool to add to your Google Sheets toolbox. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open a Google Sheet. You can do this by heading over to your Google Drive and selecting a sheet you've already created or starting a new one from scratch. Once you're in your spreadsheet, make sure you've got your data ready. For the purposes of this example, let's assume that you have your start date in cell A2 and the number of days you want to add in cell B2. Next, click on cell C2. This is where we will be entering our formula. Positioning your formula here makes it easy to see the result of the calculation you're about to perform. In this cell, you'll be typing the formula WORKDAY A2 B2. Let's break this down. The Workday function takes two main arguments. The first, A2, is the starting date. This is the date from which you want to begin counting workdays. The second argument, B2, represents the number of workdays you'd like to add to your start date. This calculation will consider weekends as non-working days, so they will be automatically skipped. Once you've typed in the formula, you'll want to hit the Enter key. As soon as you do this, Google Sheets will perform the calculation and the result will appear in cell C2. This date represents the workday that is a specified number of days after your start date, skipping weekends. Remember, if you want to exclude specific holidays in addition to weekends, you can do so by adding a third argument in your formula where you specify an array or range with your holiday dates. This is especially useful for businesses that observe regional holidays. The Workday function is a simple yet effective tool for anyone needing to calculate future work dates accurately. It saves time and helps maintain consistent and error-free scheduling, especially in a business context. Whether managing projects, planning leave, or coordinating tasks, integrating this function into your workflow can provide significant improvements in efficiency and accuracy. Give it a try, play around with different dates, and see just how easily you can predict and plan your workdays.